What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Power Build Show. On today's episode, it's gonna be a short one, not that long, pero ya desarmé la Joker. Ya, me tuve que esperar un rato porque estaba llorando ahí en la esquina. Pero ya desarmé y no parece... Mira nomás, gente aquí. No parece que fue Tomb related. Which we knew already que no era Tomb related, right? Pero just to rule that out. No, I mean it made a hole in the block. I don't know if y'all saw the last vid, or to show you the hole in the block. We made like 3 or 4 test passes. Truck was doing fine. Truck was working badass. It was getting faster with each and every pass. And then in the burnout, motor. Motor oil. I send the rod to God también. Mira. Salta chinga su madre en el burnout. Saltó todo el guerrero. You put a hole in my block. All pistons are fine. Pone que este pues ya no trae el rod, I'm assuming. Pero todo lo demás están fine. The block is fucked. Pistons de este lado, todos están fine también. Now on the heads. When I got these pistons, I believe they're positive. Without check, I'm not sure on the specs. They're a little bit positive, nomás para que quedara el compression like around 10s. With the PRC heads installed. When we rotated the engine, no pegaba nada. El engine hacía rotate, todo con madre. Pues maybe the piston to head clearance was so minimal. I'm guessing que with the heat it expanded y pegaron todos los pistons and the head. As you can see, right here, right there. This is the side of the motor donde no quedó ningún rod. Y luego el rod que se quebró fue este y está más deeper. También pegó en este. También pegó en este. Y también pegó en este. Todos pegaron. So, donde estaba haciendo el burnout, que estaba pegando los rev limbers y boost y a la verga. Pues de tanto pounding, the rod can take so much. Oye. Aguanta más Guti que los rats.
No, iba a decir a alguien, pero no, en camera no. ¿Haces beep o no? ¿Haces beep o no?
No, nomás lo puedo decir beep en el phone.
Aguanta
en
más
el...
de hueso.
Damn. Yo dije, a lo mejor armé algo mal en el bottom end. A lo mejor me pasó algo, which I knew que no, porque hice torque rod por rod, so no había manera que se me había pasado un rod. And when we put the stall, le di vueltas al motor, no pegaba nada. So, the only thing I can think of, I may be wrong, I'm not an engine builder. We don't build engines for customers. That used to be RIP. So, I took it into my own hands. Dije, let's try this engine. I went everything to spec of como me han dicho hacerlo. And everything seemed fine. Everything, bearings, todo se miraba fine. And pues cuando saltó dije, pues, maybe it was me. Maybe I did something wrong. Everything was torqued. Dije, maybe the clearances on the bearings were wrong or something. Pero no. Dije, también otra cosa era que el boost controller se me quedó prendido en el burnout. Dije, maybe it was just because we put more boost on that pass. Not sure how much, because we just put more dome and we're gonna see how much boost it did. And I was thinking to myself, maybe there was too much boost in the burnout since I forgot to turn off the boost controller and saltó. Pero pues no, ya que estoy viendo, pues the pistons were hitting the heads hasta que las dio el rock because it was too much. So in a way it was, because you're supposed to check piston to head clearance, pero pues como en los LS engines casi raro que peguen. Cuando peguen es cuando pega la valve when you're spinning the engine. Es raro que pegue. The heads were not milled or anything, they were stock CCs. I have the specs there, I don't remember the CCs they were. Nomás que los pistons sí eran positive, no eran negative. So probably there, that was my bad. Pero at least I know que no fue mi culpa del bottom end que saltó. Fue nomás la culpa de arriba, pero pues como te digo, we spin the engine and no pegaba. Hasta que ya agarró heat, entonces ya el expansion. I'm guessing that's what it was, because I have no explanation. If you do have an explanation, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Right now, I have my old LSX that we fixed. I have it with in the machine shop con el hermano Iram. They're boring it out to the new pistons I have. I'm gonna make a 434. I'm just looking for some heads. I really do want to build another 5.3 because I really love how this 5.3 works. Pone que no va a tener el mismo power que un LSX. Va a tener mucho más power del LSX. Pero it was really making power. It was blowing steam. Estaba dejando perro. Loved it. I wish this had happened, pero pues ni modo. Shit happens. You learn from it.
El next event nos van a pelar la verga todo. El next event vamos a llevarnos de la feria nosotros.
Fierro, sí. Mira. Pura pinche suerte, vato. Alguien tiene una pinche veladora perra. Porque la pinche troca estaba jalando de la verga, vato. It was working beast. But what shit happens, so we're gonna be moving forward. I'll post videos later on the other engine. And pues ya saben, raza, like, share, subscribe. Fierro.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking